In this video, you will learn how to touch up worn or scuffed edges of your cabinets using our touch-up kit. Your touch-up kit will come with detailed instructions on how to use the products included in it. In addition to watching this video, please carefully read the instructions as well. The contents of your touch-up kit may vary slightly depending on whether it is for a stained or painted cabinet. Though we strive to pack our cabinets as well as possible, sometimes during the lengthy shipping process, edges of the cabinets are rubbed by packing materials, leaving a wear mark or discoloration along the edges. These can be easily fixed using the marker included in the touch-up kit. Though this marker looks and works similarly to a regular permanent marker, this marker is different in that it contains a finish and binder. After 5 to 10 minutes of drying time, this marker forms a bond to the surface that cannot be removed by regular household cleaners. Make sure you have a cloth handy whenever you're working with this marker, because it does dry very quickly. This marker is ready to use as soon as you open it. You can snap the cap on the back so you don't lose it. When you use this marker, you don't want to use it as if you are writing. Rather, you want to use it on the edge, gliding the side of the tip gently across the discolored area as shown. If you feel that you've applied too much, quickly and gently wipe off any excess with your cloth. Remember that once this product dries, it will become very difficult to remove, so work carefully in small areas at a time. If you put too little, or you can still see the discoloration, wait a few seconds, and then apply another gentle coat in the same manner. Gently smoothing the area with the cloth will help to blend it in. When you do so, try to blend along the grain. Allow the product to dry for 5 to 10 minutes and your edge will be beautifully restored.